Welcome to the Emoji Quiz. I'm your host, and today we're going to have some fun guessing words based on emojis. Here's how it works. You'll see two emojis, and you'll have 10 seconds to guess the word they represent. For every correct answer, you get 1 point. Don't forget to keep track of your score and comment your total points at the end of the video. Let's get started. Can you guess the next one? Toothbrush. Nailed it. Can you guess the next one? Sunshine. Bright guess. Can you guess the next one? Basketball. That's number 3. Got them all so far? Can you guess the next one? Airport. You're flying throughs. Can you guess the next one? Bedroom. Easy one, right? Can you guess the next one? Snowflake. Cool guess. Can you guess the next one? Firefighter. Hot stuff. Can you guess the next one? Rainbow. That was sweet. Can you guess the next one? Notebook. Good one.